Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting kind of correlation, and this is the US dollar and how major the impact that it has on various sectors of our market. So first off, this is the US dollar index. So right here, this vertical line here shows you June the 1st. Now you can see here on June the 1st, the dollar started to turn up and had a very strong trend to the upside. Okay, so I'm going to show you some other charts to kind of illustrate the rotation that happens. Now you can see the dollar starting to break down. You see it's broken this trend line. Our momentum indicators are rolling over, turning negative, and it's broken down. So potential for this to move down lower. Now you can see the last time we had a big, huge market drop on the US dollar was back in March of 2021. So it started here in same exact pattern. You can see our momentum indicator started to go negative cycle 1 and then 2, and look at the trend down. So this trend went down for about 3 months straight down and then turned up. So now I'm going to show you how this correlates with other key areas or sectors of our markets to show you what sectors maybe you should look to get into based on the dollar if it breaks and keeps moving lower. So let's take a look. So first off, the dollar index is on the top panel, and again, here's that blue vertical line. So this is the 31st of March. You can see the dollar started trailing or sailing off right here, sailing off hard, and then it bottomed right here on the 1st of June, and then it started turning up. So the panel below is the material sectors, the ETF. So look here, this is the 31st. What happens? Material sector started trending up. Stopped trending up right about the 1st of June, as soon as the dollar started to push back up. All right, so very, very strong correlation. Now you can see the dollar breaking down. Now you can see the material sectors breaking up. So that's one key. The next one we'll look at is a stock within the material sectors, which will be Freeport-McMoRan. So here's Freeport-McMoRan. So here's the 31st of March. And what happens? Dollar down, Freeport up, dollar bottoms on the 1st, and what happens with Freeport goes down. Now it's broken a trend line from descending, so trending up, 382 retracement, dollar starting to break down. If this starts to accelerate, this will really pop Freeport-McMoRan. Here's copper. Here's 31st of March. Copper starts trending up, dollar's trending down. Here it is on the 1st of June. It starts trending back down again, and now it's broken out. Now it's pulled back here, but the potential is if this starts to really accelerate, this could continue back to the upside. So now let's take a look at gold. So here's gold futures, bottom panel. So here it is on the 31st of March. Look at that, almost to the penny. It started moving up. So dollar started breaking down, gold starts going up, dollar accelerates down, gold gets a huge trend up. And then what happens 1st of June? Dollar bottoms, starts pushing up, and look what happens to gold. Now you can see gold starting to break a trend line. We've got the dollar breaking, potential for gold to move higher. Now let's take a look at the next thing we could do is GLD. So here we are on GLD. The gold ETF, 31st of March, starts trending up. What happens? Dollar's trending down. Stops trending up on the June the 1st when the dollar bottoms, and what happens? It starts going down. Now you can see GLD, just like gold, starting to break a trend. If this accelerates, look for gold, GLD to move higher. Hope you found this interesting and helpful, and if you liked it, make sure to join us at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.